Good morning. Happy Thursday. This is Tamara Bennett with Southern Adoornments Decor, where I help you discover your painting talents and beautify your home. I'm so excited because today is the official day. It's the launch of the Painters Clubhouse group. And we've been talking about this for months, it feels like. If you guys can't wait and don't want to listen to me babble on, just comment me below, the word me, M-E, and it will send you a direct link to go sign up. I had somebody joking yesterday and said, I hope we don't crash your website. Well, guess what? I hope y'all do. Not because I want my website to crash, but that would just mean that there's so many of you who can't wait to get in the doors. There are so many of you that can't wait to get in the doors that it would mean that my website might crash. So if that happens, be patient. You've got from now until April the 9th to sign up. But there are some extra little goodies you get if you sign up between now and April 1st. If you sign up after April 1st, you're still in, don't worry about it, but there is a little bonus for people who sign up as an early bird registrant. The official launch of the group, or like the official day when it's supposed to start, is like April the 1st. But since that's Easter, we will not be having any tutorials on that day, but we do have some posts in there where you can introduce yourself, meet all of the other club members, and lots of fun things. I'm just so excited. I feel like this is just going to be so fun. I see lots of me's popping up. If you're just logging on and you're wondering why everybody's saying me, it's because if you comment me, it will send you a direct link to go sign up. And, when you sign up, after you register, it should pop up a screen that says in big letters, thanks for joining. And then it will give you a link to join the Facebook group. All of your information and stuff that you need to download will be on the website. It's not there yet. We're still working on it. But all of the community stuff and the sharing of pictures and some of the little spontaneous live videos will be in a private Facebook group. So you need to make sure you request to join that group. My assistant Hannah and I will be working all day today to try to make sure we get everyone who has paid and registered in the group. So try to be patient with us. We will go through one by one and just click approve after you join. But when you go to request to join the Facebook group, it's going to pop up and ask you a question. And it'll say, what name is your PayPal account under, your registrant? Because sometimes your name on here might be Susie Johnson, but over on PayPal, you might have Susie Anderson, your maiden name or something, and so we won't know that that's the same person. Or you might have a business PayPal account, and it might be like Southern Adoornments Decor, and we won't know that Susie is the one associated with that account. So when you do request to join the group, just let us know what your PayPal email is so that we can get you put in there. Hi, Andrea. Charlie's trying to barge in here. She heard me chit-chatting, getting all excited, and here she comes. You got to have a fruit roll-up. It's a little early in the morning for fruit roll-ups, isn't it? I always hate trying to get these things off the plastic. Do any of you guys have questions about the Painters Clubhouse? I'm assuming if you're on here with me at 9 a.m. this morning, you already know what it's all about. But for those of you who've been in the dark or maybe are just figuring this out, it's $27 a month. Or you can sign up for a year-long membership. It's $297, and that gets you 1 month for free. So you can choose either one. If you'd rather it come out monthly, it's $27. If you'd rather just pay one time, it's $297. I'm so excited you joined, Roxana. I know, I can't wait to see how many people we have by the end of the day. And we've got until April the 9th. Hey, Amanda. She's already taken her fruit roll up and left. But, what was I going to say? Our first tutorial will be April the 9th, so that's why we've chosen that day to close the group. The group will close on that day because that's going to be our first tutorial taught by Debbie Poole. We'll probably have a couple of little mini tutorials that are maybe 5 to 7 minutes long before then. But the first official long tutorial from beginning to end on painting a door hanger will be April the 9th. So, Jackie, when you comment me, it should send the link to your Facebook Messenger. So make sure you have access to Facebook Messenger. What was I saying? Oh, we're closing the group April 9th. So if you don't, Janine, if you comment me, it will send you the link. If you don't get in before April the 9th, then you won't have a chance to join again until July, because we're going to close the group. And the reason we're doing that is multiple reasons, really. It's just so that we aren't focusing all the time on trying to put new members in the group and trying to promote it. We can stop focusing on promoting it and start focusing on serving and loving on all the people in the group. So I want to be able to close it and then focus on everyone in the group and give them as much attention as possible. So that is why we're closing the group on April the 9th. And then it won't open again until July. But when it opens in July, the cool thing is that you will also be able to still access like all the stuff from April, May, and June. So if you stay in there up until July, you're not going to lose all the stuff that you've already learned. Hey, Sarah. Hey, Karen. You will still be able to go back and look at old month stuff. So in July, when it opens up, the price is going to go up just a little bit, but the value goes up because you're going to be able to access previous month's content, and you'll be able to just binge watch all that stuff at any time whenever you want or whenever you need to learn a new skill. So there's lots of value there. I have a post inside the group. It says, hello, my name is, and asks you to introduce yourself. So once you get in there, please find that post and introduce yourself. Also, like I said, the early bird bonus that is from now until April the 1st, if you sign up early, you get like a little package of goodies. It's going to have 3 spring and summer themed templates. And, oh, thank you, Hannah. Hannah commented the direct link in here for us so that we could find it, because some people may not be getting it through Messenger. So if you can't find it, Hannah has put it right here in the comments. Let me go ahead and see if I can pin that comment. It may make it difficult for me to see your all's comments, because once I pin a comment, it takes up space on my screen and I have a hard time seeing comments, but I'll try to keep up. But anyways, go in there and introduce yourself, talk about yourself a little bit, but post it underneath that thread, underneath the one that says, hello, my name is. That way everybody can kind of read all of those and it won't be taking up space on the news feed, if that makes sense. And then the freebies are in another post, and you can actually go to the Dropbox link and download those. And those will only be in the group from now till April 1st. At April 1st at like midnight, I'll remove those because those are only for the early bird signups. So you want to make sure and get those. It's 3 spring and summer templates and 1 stencil cut file. Yes, we got it pinned. Okay, tonight, I think at probably 8 p.m. I need to double check. I will announce, like, I'll put a post on my page to let you guys know, and I'll probably send out a notification or something. You guys may get kind of sick of getting the messages today, but I promise we won't do this every day. It'll just be today. I'm probably going to send out another notification as soon as this is over for anybody who missed the live video with the exact link to sign up. And then later this afternoon or this evening, I'll send out another notification. So you'll get 3 notifications today. Another notification saying, hey, we're going live at this time, and Debbie Poole and I will be interviewing, or I'll be interviewing her on here tonight, because she is going to be our guest painter on April the 9th, and she's already shown me a picture of what it looks like, and it's so cute. I can't wait for you guys to see it. So it's going to be like a pre-recorded video that you guys will be able to access. You'll know what paint colors you need and all of that. On April the 1st, I will also upload the templates that you guys need for the for April's tutorials, the 2 long tutorials that we're going to have. That way you'll have at least 9 days to get those cut out before the first tutorial. So, and you don't have to paint everything we paint. If you just want to pick one to do and just watch the other, you can still learn by watching. You don't have to paint alongside us. You're a princess? Well, come here. Let everybody see. Come here. Get over here in my lap. She says she's a princess. We do this all the time. She loves to dress up. Show them your skirt. Now show them your shoes. Ooh, they sparkly. Okay, go play. All right, does anybody have any questions about the group? If you're watching this on replay and you want to know more information, please feel free to watch my 2 previous Facebook Lives, because we answered a lot of questions and talked about everything in that group. In that Facebook Live. So please feel free to go back and watch those to get all the information you need. If you still have any doubts about what the group's about, or you just need more questions answered, please feel free to DM me. Or DM's on Instagram, isn't it? Private message me. I know, Lisa. Her little laugh is so contagious. Thank you, Andrea. Yeah, she's definitely my mini-me. Definitely. I need to find an old picture of myself when I was about her age. That way you guys can see. Does this replace the monthly door hanger, or will you still do that? If there is still interest going forward in the virtual paint party group, we will continue to do that. I know some people did sign up for a year-long membership back on Black Friday, so we will at least probably continue it that long. If for some reason people feel like this group, the Painters Clubhouse group, is more beneficial to them, and we slack off and don't have very many people interested in the virtual paint party group, then we may just phase that out eventually. I don't know. It's just kind of like we're going to wait and see how things go. I still have a lot of people in the virtual paint party group, so for right now, we're just going to keep doing it because everybody seems to be loving it. But some people are doing both, so if those people eventually want to stay in just the Painters Clubhouse group and don't want to do that anymore, and then we see that, you know, the Painters Clubhouse group is more successful, we might eventually phase it out. I don't know. I will talk about that more later when we figure out what people want, because that's what I'm here for. I'm here to serve you guys and do whatever you guys want me to do, and I'm trying to teach you guys in whatever the best way that is. So somebody asked yesterday if they would have the opportunity to buy the blank door hangers to cut out or to paint for the Painters Clubhouse group. Yes. I will probably post a link when I post in the group what the templates are, and you will have the opportunity to go and download the template or go and buy the blank door hanger, because I know some of you guys are like, I have no way to cut these out. I don't have anybody to do it for me, and I just can't do it myself. And that's fine. I understand that. Some people are going to have that situation. But if at all you are thinking, maybe I could do this, try it. I promise. Borrow a jigsaw from somebody if you must, but just make sure you've got the right kind of jigsaw blade. And if you need to know what kind of tools I recommend or what kind of blades I recommend, go to my resource list. It's on SouthernAdoornmentsDecor.com / resource-list, or you can just click on resource list at the top of the page. Marilyn says, will these templates be available to upload and save on your computer? Yes, you will have them forever. Once you download them to your computer, they will be yours forever. And if for some reason you forgot to download one, as long as you're still in the group, you can go back to previous months and download the ones from the previous months if you lose one or whatever. So the thing is I've had a lot of people say too, can I join now and then choose which months I want to be in, or can I like leave the group and come back? You can do that, but it's gonna kind of hurt you, just because if you join now and then you drop out next month, you won't be able to get back in until July, which is frustrating. And the price is going to change in July because the value will be more, because you'll be able to access April, May, and June. So, you know, if you want to still get the content month by month and stay in at the grandfathered in price of $27 a month, which is considered the founder's price, because I appreciate all of you being my founders and my supportive tribe of women. And so if you stay in, your price will stay. No, Becky, if you stay in July, your price will stay at what it originally was when you signed up, because the PayPal recurring payments will continue to bill you every month for that same amount. The only way that amount will change is if you cancel and then start a new subscription, and your new subscription will go off of whatever your new price is. But as long as you keep it and you're still being billed month to month, it will never change. So if you stay in for 2 years and for some crazy reason our price goes up a lot, you'll still be in at the $27 a month price. So that's awesome. Any more questions, you guys? I don't want to talk too long because I know some of you guys are probably waiting until I'm done talking to hop over to the website. Kelly says, are your different artists choosing their designs they want to teach, or are you... It won't let me see all of your comment, but I kind of think I know what you're saying. Well, you know, I've thought about this. The first month with Debbie Poole, I chose the design because I wasn't really thinking about it. I thought, oh, I'll just design the template and give it to her and ask her to paint it however she wants. And that's what we did, and Debbie was fine with that. But I think for next month or the months following, I will give the guest painter the choice. Like if they want to design something themselves, then they can send me their design and I will digitize it and turn it into a template for you guys. Or if they want me to design something for them and then them paint it however they want, I will do that. So I will give them the option of whatever they want to do. Beverly, if you don't have the web address, it's pinned in the comments right here. It should be like at the top of the page. Marilyn says you've never used a jigsaw tutorial on cut. Yes, I'm going to provide you guys with a jigsaw cutting tutorial. I'm going to try to get I have one like for my business group, but I filmed that myself and I really think we could do better. So I'm going to try to get my husband to like film me, like that way he can move around and get better angles and stuff, because when it's on a tripod you can't really see very good. So we're going to film a much better tutorial for you guys. Lynn says, am I a member of this? I was a little getting here. I don't think you're a member yet, Lynn. If you want to sign up, just click the link or comment me and it should send you the link to sign up. Oh, I missed a comment. Karen said, I think that's great. Yes, me too, Karen. I'm just as much excited to see what you all paint as I am to see what our guest designers come up with, our guest painters. I just think this is going to be such a fun way to build community and build, just for all of us to become better painters. I mean, even myself, because I will learn from the guest painters as well. I do not want this group to be a place for any negativity whatsoever. So if there is ever any negativity or like ugliness starting, we will remove people like that from the group. I'm not going to have that. I'm kind of I don't consider myself a strict mama here in this house, but there are certain things I don't tolerate from my kids. I don't tolerate disrespect. I don't tolerate ugliness, and I nip that in the bud real quick. So I'm not going to tolerate that in my house either, my clubhouse. Lynn, the class includes lots of tutorials and videos and at least 2 templates and 1 stencil cut file every month. And there's at least 2 beginning to end full tutorials for those door hangers that you get. But there will also be little tutorials sprinkled throughout the month that'll be like 5 to 7 minutes long that are just showing you a quick tip or technique, something you can watch like on your lunch break, something real quick. Okay, I missed a few comments. Let me go back. Oh, thank you for sharing, Renee. You've even offered to cut out hangers for your friends. That's awesome. Thank you, Renee. Yay. Amber says she just joined. Welcome. Kelly says, is there a list of guest painters? Not yet. I've only got, well, Debbie Poole is this month, is April, and then Linda Brumfield from the Crafty Southern Belle is going to be for May. So I don't have anybody for June yet. So if you're interested, send me a message. I would love to have you be a guest painter. Karen says, tell them, Mama. Susan, you never got a message from typing me. It just went straight from the pinned link. Okay, well, just use the pinned link then. Hannah's working on the mini chat to get it set up. And I set it up myself, and I probably did something wrong. So Hannah's trying to fix it for me, I'm sure. Yes, we will have lettering tutorials, Lynn. Each month, I'm probably going to do a quick lettering tutorial. And it will be on a different style of lettering every month. Maybe not a different style every month, because I probably don't have 12 different styles in my repertoire just yet. But we will focus on lettering at least once every month. That way you guys can improve, because I want to make sure you guys feel like month after month you're becoming a better painter. If you're not doing that, then I'm not doing my job, or you're not watching the tutorials, one or the other. I'm so excited you joined, Andrea. Okay. I can't think of anything else. Oh yeah, I did think of something else that I forgot. If you guys want to have the possibility of getting your first month for free, share this video or go back and share the video yesterday. Any of the videos that were from like Monday night, the one where I started talking about it while I was at my son's soccer practice, any of those videos where I'm talking about just the Painters Clubhouse from Monday night until April the 1st. If you share any of those videos, you'll be entered into a pot of names to draw out, and I will pick 3 winners, and 3 people will get their first month for free. So if you've already paid and you win, I'll just send you a refund for the first month, and you'll get your first month for free. Yay, Katie, I'm so glad you're signing up. Hey, Linda Brumfield's watching. Linda, I was just talking about you. They were asking if I had a list of the painters that are going to be... Oh, thank you for sharing. They were asking if I had a list of who was going to be guest painters, and I told them Linda Brumfield from the Crafty Southern Belle. She's going to be our guest painter in May. And so I'm so excited. Me and Linda are really good friends. If you remember, we battled each other in the door hanger duel, and she beat me. I'm so proud of her, though. She had a really cute bunny door hanger. Okay, well, I'm going to get off here. If y'all have questions, feel free to private message me, because I'm going to be on my phone probably all day today, because I'm doing nothing but staying here and monitoring this situation to make sure and get you guys in the group and make sure everything's going smoothly. So if you have any problems, just message me. I'll see you guys later. Oh, and don't forget to tune in tonight to watch the interview where I interview Debbie Poole. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.